Alright guys, we're at the beta ride. They've got about 20, maybe more motorcycles over there. We got our bikes because we're going to leave here after the ride and hit Hidden Valley up. They're having a test and tune day, like 10 bucks to ride, but check out all these betas. I've never ridden a beta before, so I'm super excited. You excited?
Yes, let's go. Electric start.
Yeah.
Okay, I like this. It doesn't seem like it vibrates as much as the other ones that aren't the race editions, but it could just be placebo. Nice, smooth power. Rocking the wheel. The only two-stroker really here that I haven't liked much was that cross trainer. The rest of them are, I mean, they're just what you expect with the two-stroke. They haven't changed a whole lot in years. Looks like the cross trainer quit on that guy. Yeah, you get on too much of a climb and this one starts to rev out too. I'm not real super qualified to judge these things because I'm not used to riding gear high. Like in motocross, on a two-stroke, you can't ride a gear high. A gear high could mean freaking an endo and sudden death or something. So we keep it right in the meat. But these, this one does way better if you keep it in third gear.
Yeah. Okay. And you're good. What are you going out on?
390 base. Is the 125 is not here, is it?
The regular 125 is.
I already rode that.
Okay, yeah, not the 125 race. Yeah, there's that downhill with that water brake, and you can jump it and like double
it's
down
perfect.
it a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, and I pushed it back down and I was like, hey, I don't know how to really tell you this. Motor's off. I don't know how to really tell you this. Motor's off.
Oh my god.
Seriously? I was like,
Eyes get real big.
yeah, I promise. I wouldn't lie to you for it.
Man, that's horrible. All right, so I've rode about half the betas so far. Few of them I did not like at all. Few of them I could really see myself riding. So I still haven't got to ride the one I've been looking forward to, which is a 500 RR. But it'll be up here in a few minutes. I'm super pumped to see if it's as good as some of the other reviews on YouTube make it sound like it is. So this has just been killer by Beta though. They brought like 20 bikes and they're letting us ride all of them, and then if we have one we like, we can ride it twice. The loop here at Burning Rock is perfect. It's like, they call it a 7-minute loop, but it only really takes me about 4. But it's just challenging enough to be fun, but also safe. So this has been the weather's beautiful, just been a great day. So definitely big thanks to Burning Rock and Beta Motorcycles for putting on this event for us. $250 race.
Yeah, we're here.
You're at the 500 yet?
Yep.
My favorite.
I like it too. These are all I got left.
Okay. All right, that's fun.
I think I bought one of 500.
The 500 I really liked.
It's almost too much.